Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Okay, let's wait for 5 minutes, okay, for the students. Until then, you can start with the question of circles. Try to solve this. Find the equation of the circle. Passing through the points 2, 3 and 1, -1, and whose center lies on the line x minus 3y minus 11 equals to 0. Okay, try to solve this. Solved? Atisha, Mazia,
Doing,
Khalid? Doing all right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's check. Let's assume the equation of the circle is let's assume the equation of the circle is x minus 5 plus k whole square equals to r square. It passes through 2, 3. So 2 minus h whole square plus 3 minus k whole square should be equal to r square. And also 1, minus 1 means 1 minus h whole square minus 1 minus k whole square equals to r square. Let's try to solve this. This is 4 plus h square minus 4k 4h plus 9 plus k square minus 6k equals to r square. Here 1 plus h square minus 2h plus 1 plus k square plus 2k equals to r square. All right. So if you subtract this, 4 minus 1 is 3. This is cancelled. Minus 2h plus 8, that is cancelled. Minus 8k equals to 0. Right? Atisha, is it clear till now?
Yes, sir. Doing, sir. I'm last step. I'm at the last step.
All right. So this is 2h plus 8k equals to 11. Also, another equation is h minus 3k equals to 11. We can multiply 2 here. So 2h. This is 6. This is 20. Subtract this. So 14k equals to 33. K equals to 33 upon 40. Mazia, is this right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Again, we have the equation h equals to 11 plus 3k. That's 11 plus 3 into 33 on 14. Simplify this. If you take 11 common, 1 plus 9 upon 14. So 14 upon 9.
It's minus 11, right? 2h plus 8k equals minus 11. Plus we
Yeah,
get,
I took that 11 to other side. So we have 11.
so this I'm saying. You wrote in the first equation, this equation, right? 2h plus 8k equals 11.
Yeah, 2h plus 8k equals to 11.
Okay.
This equation, this is from the question, right? The center is on this line.
So you took this 2h plus 8k from this, right? 3 minus 24 plus 8 minus 8k equals 0.
Yes, from this equation and from this equation.
Yes, sir, but it's minus 2h plus minus 2h minus 8k.
No, you can take this 2h to this side and this 8 minus 8k to this side. So 2h
Okay,
plus
okay.
8k will be 11, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is you can calculate this. 11 3 are 33. 2 11 12 22. Okay, you can find the radius also. All right, you can check if I have any calculation mistakes also. Is this right, Mazia?
It will be 11 minus 22, right? How 33?
Oh, which one?
I know something.
All right. Okay, note it down. Tell me if it is there any problem or not.
Yeah, you wrote in the equation, let's subtraction. Wait, 11 minus 11 into 2. You're subtracting, right?
Oh, this one?
This one's above one, the subtraction thing, the subtraction part.
Here, 2h minus 2h is 0, and
Yeah.
this minus becomes plus, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
So
yeah.
8 plus 6 is 14. Yeah.
That the right
Okay,
part?
this is, yeah, this is minus. Okay, okay. Got it. So this is wrong.
Yeah.
So 11 minus, so this is minus 11.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So k equals to minus 11 upon 14. All right. Yes. So this also minus 11. So this is also wrong. All right. So 11 fools of 44. 11. All right, Atisha.
Yes.
Okay. Mazia. All right. You are not audible, Mazia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Give me a minute for all the other students to come. Okay. We'll start parabola. Note it down. All right. Did you finish the circles NCRT?
No, sir, I'll do it today, sir.
Do it today. All right.
Sure, one more dot. 11 by 14. It's 3y, right? 3k. So it will be 3 into minus 11 by 14. It will be 33 by 14, right? 154
Yes.
minus.
This is 33. I forgot the 3 also, right? So many mistakes I am doing. Okay. Thank you, Atisha. Okay. Is this right now? All right. Write down parabolas. Parabola. Okay. Atisha, have you ever seen a parabola?
So it's like U shape, right?
Have you ever studied about this?
Sir, in grade 9, not that much. We studied just like some part, just like on
Some
the
part.
axis, how it forms, like which origins, something like that.
Okay, okay. In class 10th also, you
Yeah, the
see
polynomials chapter.
polynomials chapter, right? Quadratic equation.
Quadratic equations also, only in polynomials.
Yeah. Any quadratic equation forms the shape of parabola,
Ah,
right?
yes, yes, that, yeah.
This is, yeah, upward facing parabola, and this is downward facing parabola. So you have just seen it, not studied it, right?
Yes, not, yeah.
Yeah. So today we are going to learn a few things about this. All right. Atif, why are you late?
But I got the message late, that's why.
Okay, all right. So we are starting parabola. All right. Atisha, what is a circle? We studied in the last class.
So it is a set of all points where the distance from a fixed point is equal.
Right. And the definition of parabola is there is a fixed line. All right. In circle, there was a fixed point, and we took all the points which is at a constant distance from this point, right?
Yes.
But in parabola, there is a fixed line. This is called directrix. All right. And there is a fixed point also. There are two things that are fixed. All right. And now we have to take collection of all the set of points which are equidistant from these two. See, if here is a point, if this is x, then this has to be x also. If I move a bit upwards, this and this should be equals. All right. And this way we get a shape like this. This is called a parabola. This fixed point is called focus. This one is focus. All right. This is the directrix. And this curve we get is parabola. Did you get the gist of this? Like a little bit idea about this? Atisha, Ahmad, Mazia, Khalid.
Yes.
All right, Mazia.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Write down the proper definition. It is the set of all no other students have come yet. It is a set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed line and a point. Fixed point. All right. The fixed point is called focus. The fixed line is called directrix. Write it down. All right. So if I have to draw one, this is symmetrical. My drawing is bad, all right. Otherwise, it's completely symmetrical. All right. Draw this diagram. Atisha, you have to go. Okay, be quick, all right. Very quick, be very quick because we are moving forward, all right. Okay. So everyone done with this? Mazia, Atif,
One second, sir.
all right.
Done.
Okay. So think about parabola again. Parabola is the collection of all the points. All right. This is a fixed point. This is a fixed line. They cannot move. All right. So all the points here in it are equidistant from this point and this line. This point and this line. Any point you take, if this is 2, then this has to be 2. All right. This is the definition of parabola. Equidistance from a point and a fixed line. That fixed line is called directrix. That fixed point is called focus. Is it absolutely clear? Mazia, Atif, Khalid?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what is axis? Axis of a parabola is the line which is perpendicular to directrix. This is perpendicular, all right. A line that is perpendicular to directrix. But many lines are possible which are perpendicular to directrix, right? Axis is the line which passes through focus also, all right. That line which is perpendicular to directrix and passes through focus is called axis of the parabola. Write it down. The line which is perpendicular to directrix and passes through the focus. All right, done. Okay. After this, the last thing is vertex. Like vertex is the point where the parabola and the axis meet. All right, this is the axis, this is the parabola. Where they meet is called the vertex. Write it down. Clear, Mazia?
Yes, sir.
No, which part?
Clear, sir.
Clear. All right.
But I'm not done writing.
All right. All right.
Done.
All right. So what have we learned till now? A parabola is the equation or the collection of all points which are equidistant from a point and a line. Right. So let's draw one. Right. This is called directrix. This is the focus. This is the axis. This is the vertex. All right. Types of parabola. Four types there are. First one is y square equals to 4ax. This is the simplest one, easy one. Must have seen this. And notice one thing, a is always greater than 0. Always. It cannot be negative. Always take a as negative. The shape it makes is like this. Right. This kind of parabola, this equation. The second one is y square equals to minus 4ax. The vertex should be here. Sorry for my bad drawings. Just erase it. All right. If you remember this only, that this kind of equation makes this kind of shape, this kind of equation makes this kind of shape. Third one is x square equals to 4ay. If you just remember this four types and which shape it makes, you can solve all the questions from parabola. All right. Just write it down. I'll give you 2 minutes. Hi, Rahman, you are late. Rahman, can you hear me? All right, we have started parabola. All right, parabola is the set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. All right, all the points here are equal distance from a point and a line. All right, like in circle there was a fixed point and the distance were equal. In parabola there are two fixed things, one is a line, one is a point. We have to take all the points which are equidistant from these two. All right, that makes a parabola. That fixed line is called directrix, that fixed point is called focus. All right, any line that is perpendicular to directrix and passes through focus is called axis, and where the parabola meets the axis is called vertex. All right, Rahman.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, these are four types of parabola. We have just started, don't worry. All right, four types of parabola, just write it down. And the shapes, nothing too complicated. This kind of equation looks like this. This kind of equation looks like this. You have to remember this. If we have y square equals to 4ax, this is the diagram. Y square equals to minus 4ax, this is the diagram. A should always be taken as positive. All right, done.
Yes, sir.
Type 3 and 4. Atisha, are you back? Okay, let's give 2 minutes. Mazia, are you done?
Yes, sir.
All right. Just go through what you wrote once again. All right, from the beginning. What is a parabola? What is a focus? What is the directrix? Axis. All right, vertex, and the types. Just go through once more. All right, fit that into your mind. This is the base of parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. All right. Second type. Yeah, this is the second type. All right. Atisha, just draw these diagrams. There are four types of parabola.
Yes.
This is the first one. First, second. All right. Just this equation and the diagram. Equation and the diagram. You have to just fit this into mind. Which kind of equation looks like which diagram? All right. And A is always positive. Remember that. If this is minus 4x, never take A as negative. The constant is never negative. Minus is always there. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, these two and two others are below. This is the basis of hyperbola, ellipse, parabola. All right. So understand this completely. Done. And these two.
Just up, sir. First one.
All right. Done, Atisha?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right.
The third one, sir. Third one.
Third one.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So write down type 1. All right. Type 1, which is y square equals to 4ax. The diagram is like this. This is y, this is x. Let's suppose the focus is at a comma 0. All right. Then the directrix will be at minus a comma 0. If the vertex is here, this will be the directrix, right? Minus a. This understood? Clear, everyone? If the focus is at a comma 0, directrix will be at x equals to minus a. This will be the line, right? Because the distance should be equal. This distance is a. This is also a. Is this clear, everyone? Atisha, Mazia, Rahman, Atif, Khalid? Okay. Rahman, clear?
So can you repeat again, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, the definition of parabola is all the points that are equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. So the fixed point is this. We call it focus, a comma 0. And the fixed line is directrix. So if the vertex is at 0 comma 0, then this point is also in the parabola, and this distance is a. So the directrix should also lie at a distance, right? So 0 comma 0 is this. So this has to be minus a comma 0.
Yes, sir.
So the equation of line would be x equals to minus a. This is the equation of directrix,
All-
right? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me take any point here, x comma y. All right. If I draw a perpendicular on this has to be minus a comma y. Is this understood? But write it clearly. This has to be minus a comma y, because the y coordinate is y and the x coordinate is minus a. So this point is minus a comma y. This point is x comma y. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's name it. This is M, this is P, and this is F, focus, right? So according to the definition of parabola, we know that any point on the parabola should be equal distant from this P to F and P to M. So I know by definition PF equals to PM. Is this right?
Yes.
Everyone? Mazia, Atisha?
Yes, sir.
All right. So how to calculate PF? Atisha, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
How to calculate PF? Distance between 2 points. This is x comma y. This is a comma 0. Can you calculate the distance?
Yes, sir. Root of
Yeah.
root of a is a minus x whole square
Yeah.
plus 0 minus y whole square.
All right, I can write x minus a, it looks good, right? X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. What is the value of PM, Atisha?
X minus minus a minus x whole square root of.
Okay, I can write x minus a whole
Yes, sir, write
square
it also. Yes,
plus y minus y whole square
yes, root.
and root. So root and root can be cancelled out, right?
Yes,
So x minus a whole square plus y square equals to, this is x plus a whole square, y minus y is 0. All right, let's simplify. X square plus 2xa, this is minus 2xa plus a square plus y square equals to x square plus a square plus 2ax. So x square is cancelled, a square is cancelled. We'll have y square equals to, this 2x will go here, so 4ax, right? Y square equals to 4ax. This is the standard equation of parabola. Write it down, everyone. Each step is clear, everyone? How I calculated? I just took the definition, put the values, and this is the equation I get.
yes, sir.
Write it down, everyone. Yes, Mazia, definitely. See, Mazia, can you tell me the definition of parabola?
Yeah.
Yeah, please tell.
It is the set of all paths which are equidistant from the fixed.
Point and a line, right? So this is our line, x equals to minus a. This is our point, a comma 0, focus. This coordinate will be minus a comma y, right? If I take any point on the parabola, okay, I don't know the equation of this parabola, I just assumed any point on this and named it x comma y. This is all right, Mazia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I draw a perpendicular line, that means y will remain same, y coordinate. So the coordinate of this will be minus a comma y, because the x coordinate is minus a, y coordinate is y, right?
Yes.
Now according to the definition, if this is a parabola and this is the focus and this is the directrix, that means the distance of this point here should be equal to this, and the distance between them will be this point, to distance formula, right? X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square under root, and distance between them are x plus a whole square plus y minus y whole square under root. It's okay, Mazia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I cancel the under roots, open the brackets, and this is what I get. All right, this is the
Okay,
equation
sir.
of parabola. Yeah, write it down.
Thank you.
All right. Now, if you have this equation, pi square equals to 4ax. What is the focus here? Coordinates of focus. In your diagram, look at that. A comma 0. That was the focus, right? Atisha, Mazia,
Yes, sir.
Rahman. Yeah. Right. In the diagram, this was our focus, and this was the equation we got. So if this is the equation we have, then A comma 0 will be the focus. What was the equation of directress? Atisha, what is the equation of?
Minus a comma 0, right?
That was coordinate. This is a line. Directress is a line. So x equals to minus a.
Yes,
Right?
x. Yeah, x equals minus.
Mazia, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the vertex?
0 comma 0.
0 comma 0. Right, what is that? Axis?
So which one? X or y?
Axis. No. Okay, you were not there. Axis is the line. All right. Axis of a parabola is the line which is perpendicular to directress and passes through focus. All right. That is called axis of the parabola. All right, Atisha.
Yes, sir.
So here the line of axis equation is y equals to 0 because this is x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
So y equals to 0. Clear?
Yes.
There is another thing, length of lattice vector. Now what is lattice vector? See, a line perpendicular to the axis and passing through focus. All right, this will be the line. This is line segment. All right, from this point to this point is called length of lattice rectum. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this will be, see how to calculate this. This point is on the parabola, right? And this will be a comma something. We don't know the y coordinate. So how to calculate the y coordinate? Put the value of x as a, right, in this equation. So if you put 4a into a, so we are getting 4a square. So y coordinates will be plus minus 2a, right? This was the parabola. This was the focus a comma 0. So in this is 2a, a comma 2a. This will be a comma minus 2a. So the length of lattice rectum will be 4a. Was it clear or absolutely blank?
Sir, like 50-50, sir.
All right, Mazia. Okay, let me.
Can you repeat the length of lattice rectum again?
All right, see. Let me draw another diagram, just explaining that. All right. See, this is the focus a comma 0. All right, I told you a line that is perpendicular to this and passing through focus. All right,
Yes,
this
sir.
to this. If I have to find the distance between these 2 points, so I have to know this points a and b.
Yes, sir.
But we know the x coordinates of a and b, right? This is, let me assume a comma and any name m. This is a comma n. Is it okay?
Yes.
Because the x coordinate is Not change because this is the perpendicular line.
Yes.
So this a comma m is in the parabola. So a comma m will satisfy the equation of the parabola,
Yes.
and the equation of the parabola is y square equals to 4ax here. So let me put the value of a and m here. So this is m square equals to 4a. So m square equals to 4a square. So m equals to plus minus 2a.
Yes.
Right? Why two values? Because at this x coordinate there are 2 points which are in the parabola. So this is a comma 2a because this is the positive one. This is a comma minus 2a.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear now, Atisha?
Yes, sir.
So now the length will be, because see x is not changing, so distance will be only the y coordinate. So this is 2a and this is 2a. So total is 4a.
So you want to consider the minus sign.
Because see distance is never negative.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
They're calculating length, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you move from here to here, you will have to walk 2a length.
Yes.
From
Not
here
minus.
to here 2a length. Yeah. All right. So the distance is 4a. So length of vertex rectum is 4a. Clear everyone? Mazia?
Yes.
All right. Atisha is clear. Atif, Rahman?
Yes, sir.
All right. So remember this 5 things. In any question, this is the only things they are going to ask. All right. So if you have equation like this, y square equals to 4ax, then the focus is this, directrix is this, vertex is this, axis is this, length of vertex rectum is this. All right. Write down the definition of vertex rectum also, so that you can remember. Right. A line segment, I should write, or it is a line which passes through focus perpendicular to axis and endpoints on the parabola. Three conditions, all right. It should be perpendicular to the axis, should be passing through focus, and the end point should be on parabola. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So clear now?
Yes.
Write it down.
So which passes through the axis, then perpendicular to that.
Yeah, perpendicular. You write perpendicular. You spell it out, right? Perpendicular like this. I can write this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Then
All right. So what should we do with this information, sir? If the question asks, there is a question y square equals to 4x. Find vertex, focus, directrix, length of, okay, LOL, length of vertex rectum. You spell it out completely. All right. I can write LOL. You don't. Vertex, focus, directrix, and axis. All right, all these things you have to find. How to find? Compare this with the standard equation. So the standard equation of this is y square equals to 4ax, right, Atisha?
Yes, sir.
So here y square is common, x is common. So 4 equals to 4a. So the value of a is 1.
Yes.
And what is the first thing I wrote? What is the focus?
A comma 0. So it will be 1 comma 0.
1 comma 0. And directrix
Minus A. Minus A.
minus a, not minus
X
like
equals
this.
minus A. X equals
X
minus.
equals to,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Sorry.
So x equals to minus
Minus 1.
1. And
So we have to write
what is
X,
the,
right? If they ask the
yeah,
directive.
because
Yeah.
directrix is a line, and the equation of line you should write like this, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Vertex is
And
0 comma 0.
yeah, vertex x 0 comma 0.
Axis y
Axis,
equals 0. Y equals 0.
yeah. And length of radius rectum
4A. 4 into 1. 1. 4.
4. Everyone clear? Mazia, Atif, Rahman?
Yes.
All right. You just have to find the value of a, and you'll have all the answers. All right. This is the first type. Write it down. Done.
Yes.
All right. Write it down. Type 2. And type 2 is y square equals to minus 4ax. Here also a is positive. All right. This looks like something. This will be your focus. Minus a comma 0. This is the equation of directrix. X equals to a. All right. This is vertex. If this type of equation is given, then write it down. Focus is minus a comma 0, right? Focus is minus a comma 0. Atisha, what is the equation of directrix?
The equation X equals minus A.
See, not minus a, because see,
Plus A. Yeah.
plus a. All right. Directrix will be x equals to a. All right.
So it's down, right? So down will be minus. Minus.
Oh,
It's in the fourth quadrant, right?
which one is negative?
I'm saying about the X, sir. X equals A.
Yeah. See, if this is the focus, then directrix will lie here, and this is the x equals
Yes.
to a, right?
Yes, yes.
This is a comma 0, so x equals to a. All right.
Yes.
After that, we have the vertex. Vertex is also 0 comma 0. Here also
Yes.
origin. Okay. Axis. Axis is the same. Y equals to 0. Length of here also it is 4a. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing is changed. Yeah. Only two things are changed. This and this. Write it down.
Done.
Okay. Understood clearly, Mazia?
Yes.
All right. Atif, Rahman? Okay. Let's try a question. If you have y square equals to minus 4x, all right, you have to find all of this: focus, vertex, directrix, and you know the length of LR axis. This is the equation. All right, I'll give you 2-3 minutes. All right, got the answers, Mazia? Mazia, you have the answers? Okay. Okay. Atif? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why are they silent then? Or let's see. Okay, Maria, just a second. Okay. I'll give you 1 more minute. Okay, Maria, no issues. All right, let's discuss. Okay, here compare with the standard equation. This is y square equals to minus 4ax, right? So 4a equals to 4. So value of a equals to 1. I told you a is always positive. All right. If you see negative somewhere, then this is the equation of parabola. All right. Don't take this negative in numbers. All right, clear? Okay. So the value of a is 1. So you can see from here, focus, directrix, vertex, everything, right? So focus will be minus 1 comma 0. Vertex is at 0 comma 0. Directrix will be x equals to 1. Length of this will be 4 and x is y equals to 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Easy?
Yes, sir.
All right. Type 3. Atisha, what is type 3 equation?
Type 3 is x square equals 4ay.
X square equals to 4ay. And the diagram of this is upward facing parabola. So the focus should be here. Atisha, can you tell what is the focus here?
Focus will be y comma 0. 0 comma y. 0 comma y.
0 comma. And what should I write? Y or anything else?
So 0 comma y, right? 0 comma a.
0 comma a. Absolutely right. And the equation of directrix will be
So it will be 0 comma minus a.
yeah. So yes, this coordinate is 0 comma minus a, but the line equation of line
It will be x equals y equals minus a. X equals
y
0.
equals to y equals to minus a, and the axis is x equals to 0,
Yes.
right? And the vertex is 0 comma 0. So let's write it down. Focus is 0 comma a. The directrix is y equals to minus a. Vertex is 0 comma 0. Axis is x equals to 0. Length of lattice rectum. Atisha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you answer?
LAR it will be
This is the same 4a. All right, because see, parabolas are symmetrical. All right, I just shifted it like in an angle of 90 degree. Nothing else is changed, right?
yes, sir.
So that is same. Write it down. Give you 2 minutes.
Done.
Now let's solve one question. X square equals to 4y. All right. Okay. Done, Mazia? Rahman? Atif? No, I guess. Are you guys able to understand this or not? Mazia, what happened? Okay, let's discuss this. Here also the standard equation is x square equals to 4ay, right? So 4 equals to 4a. So value of a is 1. Focus will be 0 comma a, that is 0 comma 1. Directus is y equals to -1. Vertex will be 0 comma 0. Axis will be x equals to 0. The length of LR will be 4a, that is 4. All right, Atisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Type 4.
x square equals minus 4a.
X square equals to minus 4a. How will it look like this? All right. Natija, start. What is focus?
So focus is 0 comma x 0 comma y.
Look
0
closely
comma
again.
minus y. 0 comma minus
Minus a, right? 0 comma minus a.
minus a. Yes.
Yeah. Directors.
A. Y equals a.
Y equals to a.
Vertex
And
0 comma 0. Vertex 0 comma 0.
0 comma 0. And
Then
axis
axis y equals 0.
y equals 0.
LR
Is
is
it
4.
y equals to x equals to 0? Axis is x equals to 0, right?
Yes, sir. Directive x equals
And length of latest
4a.
system
4a.
4. Write it down, everyone.
Done.
Okay. Few questions. Find the coordinates of the focus, equation of axis, equation of directors, and length of latest system of parabola y square equals to 16. All right, try to solve this.
So what's after focus?
Find the coordinates of the focus, equation of axis. This is eq1 of axis,
Okay.
equation of directors, and length of latest sector of parabola. All right, done. Mazia? Okay, let's discuss. Yes, Mazia, done? You are not audible. I cannot hear you, Mazia. All right, you check also, right? You check and tell if anything is wrong. Okay, this is type 1, right? Y square equals to 4ax. So 4a equals to 16. That means a is 4. So focus is a comma 0, that is 4 comma 0. Practice is x equals to minus a, that is minus 4. Axis is y equals to 0. Vertex is 0 comma 0. And length of latest victim 4a, that is 16. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another question. If you have x square equals to minus 9x minus 9y, all right, tell me all the above quantities in this. Maja, is this clear, that this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to solve this. All right, x square equals to minus 9y. All right, done everyone. Mazia.
Yes, sir.
All right. Standard equation is, which type is it? This is x square is equals to
Type 4.
Size type 4.
4ay, right? So 4a equals to 9. That means the value of a is 9 upon 4. And focus is, Atisha,
So focus is 0 comma minus 9 by 4. 0 comma minus 6.
and direct is
Directive it's y 9 by 4. Y equals 9 by 4. Sorry.
vertex.
0 comma 0.
All right, and axis
X equals 0.
and length of latest section.
9.
Right. All right, Mazia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this type of questions you are absolutely clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's try a different question. Think and try to solve. Find the equation of the parabola with focus 2, 0 and directrix x equals to -2. All right. This is the reverse question. They've given you the focus and directrix, asked you about the equation of the parabola. Think about this, very easy. Try to solve. I'll give you a few minutes.
Done, sir.
All right. How to solve?
The directives for the type 1 is x equals minus 7.
Mhm.
So we can take the type 1 and we can do it. Right?
Right. Absolutely. But the more easier will be try to plot this. Directrix is x equals to -2. So this is the line. Focus is 2, 0. So parabola will be like this. And this is type 1. And this is A. So y square equals to 4 into 2 into x, 8x. Clear?
Yes.
In this type of question, if you draw a diagram, you will be absolutely clear, right? What type of equations you are looking for. Try to solve another one. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex at 0, 0 and focus at 0, 2. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. Mazia solved?
Yes, sir.
All right. So your focus is at 0,2, vertex is at like this, so it will look like this. Atisha, how is it type 4? Atisha, okay, Atisha doesn't want to answer now. Okay, so this is 0,2 and vertex at 0,0. So parabola will look like this, and this is the equation type 3 for a y. The value of a is 2, so x square equals to 8y. All right, Mazia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rahman Ahmed. All right, I'll take that as a yes because you are not seeing anything. Okay, this is all for parabola. All right, there is nothing more to learn from this. Okay, in this level. Okay, so please try to finish the NCERT exercise of parabola. All right, I'll check that in the next class. We'll discuss the doubts. Okay, Mazia. All right then. See you in the next class. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Rahman. Now you are asking which type we should take. All that time you were silent. See, when you draw the graph, I told you to remember the types, right? As soon as you see this graph, you should know that this is the type 3. Draw the focus and the vertex or the directrix. Focus is inside the graph. So this is the graph we get. So type 3, the value of A is 2. All right, Iman.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See you in the next class then. Finish the exercise. Okay.